Good morning. In this video, we will learn how to build a Power Apps application that allows us to create a structured database by entering data directly through a custom interface with predefined columns and formats. In this example, we will build a budget table where user can build values for 12 months of the year plus a category field. This is the same structure can easily be adapted to sales, forecast, expense, inventory, wherever you want. So let's go. The idea is to use Power Apps as a user-friendly data entry interface, while automatically build a structured database in the background. This allows us to control the data format, reduce input errors, and generate a clean dataset ready for Power BI or Excel analysis. The first step is to create a main button. We create the refresh, the save, and new. In the refresh, we have to update the data, in the save to restore the entered information, and in the new to clear all fields for a new entry. In the description of the video, I will leave a direct GitHub link so you can see the code for each one in details, so you won't have any problems when using the code. This control defines the workflow of the application. Now we insert the input structure. Okay, in our case, we need one category field and 12 monthly values fields, a total of 13 input fields. We insert next inputs, adjust all the size for each one and alignment, and we have just to duplicate them to keep consistent formatting for all these fields. Once the visual layout is ready, we configure the formulas behind each button. The logic is relatively simple and repetitive, specifically when working with multiple monthly fields. To make things much easier, I will leave the refresh and the save and all the buttons example in this video description to the GitHub file. Are these three codes that are in here that is gonna be on the GitHub files. Well, and that's it. With this setup, user can enter monthly budget values, save them into a new data source, create new entries, and refresh the dataset, all with a control and structured environment. Once the dataset is built, it can be connected directly to, Power BI, Excel, or any analytical tools that you have, allowing you to build a dashboard and analytical models based on the data entry through the app. As you can see, Power Apps enable a simple yet powerful solution for structured data entry. I hope this video find you useful. Please don't forget, just like and subscribe. It's gonna help you really much. See you on next video. Bye bye.